Hello friends, welcome you in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Mohammad Sirajul Faizi, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, LS College, Muzaffarpur. Today in this video, I am going to talk about IR spectroscopy. So I will discuss about spectroscopy, principles, molecular vibrations, strength and limitations, use of IR spectra. So let's start. So spectroscopy. What is spectroscopy? Method of seeing unseeable. Method of seeing the unseeable. Through the electromagnetic radiations, you will look atoms or molecules. जो चीज़ देखने में नज़र नहीं आती उसको हम देखेंगे स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोप. Using electromagnetic radiation to obtain information about atoms and molecules that are too small to see. So principle of IR spectroscopy. Molecules are made up of atoms linked by chemical bonds. The movement of atoms and the chemical bonds look like spring and balls vibrations. Look at this. This is the big and small, and it is attached through the ball. And these two balls attached with the spring. These characteristic vibration are called natural frequency of vibrations. Applied infrared frequency is equal to natural frequency of vibration, and most important thing, change in dipole moment is required. So molecular vibrations, stretching vibrations, bending vibrations. Now stretching vibrations have symmetrical stretching, asymmetrical stretching. Bending vibration in plane and out of plane. In plane, scissoring and rocking, and out plane, wagging and twisting. So molecular vibrations are two types: stretching vibration, bending vibration. Symmetrical and asymmetrical. Bending in plane and out of plane. Out of plane also two types: wagging and twisting. In plane, scissoring and rocking. So stretching vibration, symmetrical stretching. Two bonds increase or decrease in length simultaneously. You see this one. Asymmetric stretching. In this, one bond length is increased and other is decreased. In plane bonding, scissoring, two atoms approaches each other and bond angles are decreases. Rocking, movement of atoms take place in the same direction. Look at here, same direction. Out of plane bending, wagging and twisting. Wagging, two atoms move to one side of the plane, same side. They move up and down the plane. Twisting, one atom moves above the plane and another atom moves below the plane, opposite. So strength and limitations of IR spectroscopy. IR alone cannot determine a structure. Some signal may be ambiguous. The functional group is usually indicated. The absence of signal is defined proof that functional group is absent. Corresponding with a known symbol, IR spectrum confirms the identification of compounds. Use of IR spectrum. Identification of functional groups on a molecules. This is a very important tool in organic chemistry. Spectral matching can be done by computer software and library spectra. Since absorbance follow Beer's law, can do quantitative analysis. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel